Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Outlook and every Office window. This avoids file locks. Once closed, back up your PSD or OSD files if you want to preserve mail history, because the reset deletes local settings. Make sure you know your account credentials and server details so you can reconnect afterward. Now open the Run dialog, Windows key plus R, and type Outlook. exe/resetnavpane as a quick check. If that doesn't solve it, continue with the full reset steps described next. You go to Control Panel, Open Mail, then Show Profiles. This is where Outlook stores profile-level settings. Create a new profile, give it a clear name, and add your email account using the server details you saved earlier. This rebuilds all account configurations from scratch. Once the new profile is created, set it as the default by selecting Always Use this profile. Restart Outlook and confirm Mail, Calendar, and Rules sync. If everything looks correct, you can safely delete the old profile to complete the reset. You finish by checking add-ins and Outlook options because residual extensions can recreate problems. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, and disable any non-essential items. If you exported data or backed up PSD/OSD files, re-import them carefully to avoid reintroducing corrupt settings. Make sure cached credentials are updated in Windows Credential Manager. If Outlook still misbehaves after a profile reset, consider repairing Office from Programs and Features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.